morning, children. Chapter 4 Life Mathematics. So, today we are going to learn about the profit, loss, discount, overhead expenses, and GST. So, these are the topics today we are going to learn. Okay, let us first see what is profit and loss. So, under the topic profit and loss, cost price that can be written as CP. What is the meaning of cost price, children? The amount for which an article is bought. So, the article which you are going to buy, that bought, is called as a cost price. And selling price can be written as SP. The amount which an article is sold, that you have sold it, that is, you have sold. Selling price is called as selling price, that can be expressed as SP, okay, in short form. I'll just repeat once again, children. Cost price, that can be mentioned as CP. The amount for which an article is bought is called cost price. Selling price, the amount for which an article is sold, is called as a selling price. Sold is nothing but selling a particular item, okay. Cost price is nothing but which you are going to buy, that is called as a cost price. Okay, next, profit or gain. You can say it as a profit or you can say it as a gain when selling price is more than the cost price. For example, if you have bought some, you went to a shop and you have bought some apples, that is, you bought the 1 kg of apple for the 100 rupees. For example, I'm saying you bought the apple for 100 rupees, that is the cost price. The same 1 kg apple you have sold it for 120 rupees, that is called as a selling price. Okay, now the selling price is more than the cost price. So now you have gain of rupees 20. That is, you bought for 100 rupees, but you sold it for what? 120 rupees. So you have got a gain. So that is nothing but profit. Now how much amount you got a profit, children? 20 rupees. That is called as a profit. Okay. When the selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit or gain. You can express those things as profit or gain equal to selling price minus cost price. Next, loss. When the selling price is less than the cost price. For example, the same apple you have bought for 100 rupees, you have sold it for 80 rupees means, so which is less than your cost price. Then you have lost 20 rupees. Okay. So when the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. So therefore, the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is CP minus SP. It is to be noted that the profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. So it is a profit or it may be a loss. Based on the cost price only, you can find it out whether it is a gain or a loss. Okay. Now next, let us move on to discount. Let us see what is a discount. Okay. During the month of Adi season, during the month of Adi or any during like a festival time, during Christmas, Pongal, Deepavali, or anything, any festival time, you can see that the shopkeeper could have put a 5% discount, 20% discount, like that they put. That is discount. What is the meaning of that one? Let us see. During the month of Adi and festival season, shopkeepers offer a certain percentage of rebate. Rebate means what? That is a reduction in the price. That is called rebate on the market price of the article in order to increase the sale and also to clear the old stock. Why they are actually reducing the amount? No, they want to increase the sale. For example, if they put as it is means, the sales will be less. If anyone could have given any reduction means, they'll go. If you go to cake shop also, you can find that if they'll say, if you buy 2 cake, 1 cake will be free. So if when they were freeing an offer, that is when they are giving any discount or any offer in the reduction, so most of the people will like. So they want to clear the old stock, as well as they want to increase the sale, they will give the reduction in the particular item. Okay, this rebate is known as a discount. This is called as a discount. Now let us see what is market price. Market price is nothing but in a big shop and departmental stores, we see that every product is tagged with a card and a market price market on it. This price marked on the card is called as a market price. So you can go to a departmental shop, you're buying a provision, you can see the price, that is the cost of the particular item, that will be marked in the tag. So that is called as a market price. Based on this market price, the shopkeeper offers a certain percentage of discount. You can see in the wholesale shop there will be a deduction, but in the retail shop there will be, the amount will be more. In the wholesale shop, what they will do, they'll just reduce the amount and they will stick a tag. Their selling price will be little less. That is called as a discount. The price payable by the customer after deduction of discount is called as a selling price. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. How much ever the discount they are offering, from that they will reduce, and they will, from the market price they will reduce. So that is called as a selling price. Now let us move on to the overhead expenses. What is overhead expenses? Traders, retailers, and shopkeepers are involved in buying and selling of goods. Sometimes, when articles like machinery, furniture, electronic items, etc., are bought, a few expenses may happen on their repairs, transportation, and labor charges, etc. So these expenses are included in the cost price and are called as overhead expenses. I think you all understood, children. Suppose you are going to buy any furniture. For example, you are going to buy a cot for your house. You have to carry that particular, that whatever the cot you are buying from the shop to your house. So they may put the carrying charges or vehicle charges or transport charges they'll put along with your cost price. That is called as a overhead expenses. Okay, so total cost is nothing but cost price plus the overhead expenses. I think you understood the repair, transportation, and the labor charges, that is the extra charges whatever they are charging apart from the cost price. That is called as a overhead expenses. Now, how to find the discount percent? Discount percent is equal to discount divided by market price into 100 percentage. Now, next let us move on to the goods and service taxes, that is called as a GST. The full form of GST is goods and service taxes. Nowadays, there is without a GST we cannot buy any item. So in all the shops you can see that GST in the bill, you could have seen GST 2%, 3%, like that you could have seen. The full form of GST is goods and service tax. Okay, now let us see about GST. The goods and services tax, GST, is the only common tax in India on almost all the goods and the services meant for domestic consumption. The GST is remitted by the traders and the consumers alike and is also one of the main source of income to both central and the state government. There are three types of GST, namely central GST, that is CGST, and state GST, SGST, and integrated GST, that is IGST. For union territories, there is UTGST. The GST is shared by central and the state government equally. There are also many products like egg, honey, milk, salt, etc., which are exempted from GST. So these are all some products exceptional from the GST. So the product like petrol, diesel, etc., do not come under GST and they are taxed separately. The GST Council has fitted over 1,300 goods and 500 services under four tax slabs, namely 5%, 12%, 8%, and 28. Sorry, children, 18% and 28%. So they have put a slab for each item for 5% tax, 12% GST, 18%, and 28%. So that is goods and service tax. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about based on this formula we are going to do the problems. When the selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a gain or a profit, that is SP minus CP. The loss can be found by loss is equal to CP minus SP when the selling price is less than CP. Okay, to profit or the profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. Already I explained to you, based on the profit or loss, based on the cost price only we can able to find it out. Okay, selling price is equal to market price minus discount, and some formula based on that. Profit or gain percentage, profit divided by CP into 100. Loss percentage, loss divided by CP into 100. Selling price equal to 100 plus profit divided by 100 into CP, or else you can write CP equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. You can find both the way. By using SP, you can use this formula. By using CP, you can use that formula. So both the way you can do it. Then selling price SP equal to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. So cost price CP equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into SP. So let us move on to the exercise, children. Exercise 4.2. So let us move on to the fill in the blanks. The first fill up. Loss or gain percentage is always calculated on the, now only I explain to you. Loss or gain percentage is always calculated on the basis of what? Cost price. Now I explained already to you. Next, a mobile phone is sold for rupees 8,400 at a gain of 20%. The cost price of the mobile phone is, so now they sold means what? They selling price. Okay, the selling price of the mobile is rupees 8,400. He has sold it for what? How much gain? 20% gain. Now you have to find the cost price of the mobile. Okay, so you'll be getting the answer rupees 7,000. Let us see how we got the answer. Solution. Already I told you sold means selling price. So selling price equal to rupees 8,400 and gain is equal to 20%. So you can write cost price is equal to 100 divided by the formula you can apply. Cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. So 100 divided by 100 plus, you know the profit percentage 20 into selling price of the particular mobile, what? 8,400. Now you add 100 plus 20, 120. So now you can actually cancel 10 and 10, and 12 you can cancel 840. How many times you can cancel? 70 times. Now multiply 100 into 70, rupees 7,000. So the cost price of the mobile phone is rupees 7,000. Okay. Now let us move on to the problem number 3, third subdivision. An article is sold for rupees 55,000 at a loss of 7.1 by 2%. The cost of the article is rupees 600. Let us see how you got the answer. Solution. Selling price sold for rupees 50. So that is your selling price given. Selling price equal to rupees 555. Loss equal to 7.1 by 2%. Now the mixed fraction, just you change it into a fraction. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So 15 by 2%. Okay. Now what is the formula you can apply? Cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into SP. Okay. So 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent, how much? 15 divided by 2 into 555. So you take a LCM, 100 divided by 2 into 100, 200 minus 15 by 2. Now you just subtract, so you'll be getting 185. The 2 will be multiplied in the numerator part with 100. So 2 into 100, 200 divided by 185 into 555. So now let us move on to the simplification. Okay, let us cancel the thing. So you can cancel 185 and 555 in 5 table. 37 5s are 185 and triple 1 you will get 111 into 5 you will be getting 555. Now again you can cancel 37 and 111 by 3 table. 37 3s are 111. Now multiply 3 into 200. Your final answer is rupees 600. Okay. Now let us move on to subdivision 4. A mixer grinder marked at rupees 4,500 is sold for rupees 4,140 after discount. The rate of discount is dash. That is 8%. Let us see how we got 8%. Solution. Given market price equal to 4,500, discounted price is equal to 4,140. Let us find the discount first. What is the formula for discount? Discount is equal to market price minus discounted price. So what is the market price? 4500 minus 4140. So when you subtract, you will be getting 360. So now let us move on to the rate of discount. So what is the rate of discount formula? Rate of discount is equal to discount divided by market price into 100. So what is the discount actually? 360 divided by market price is 4500 into 100. You just cancel two zeros and two zeros. Then you can cancel 45 in 5 table. 5 nines are 45 and 36 will get cancelled in 9 table. That is 360. 40 nines are 360 and 5 nines are 45. Have you understood, children? I'll repeat once again that 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled. 45 and 360 will be cancelled in 9 table. 49s are 36. Sorry, 49s are 360 and 5 nines are 45. Again 5 you can cancel with 8 table. Okay, 5 8s are 40. So your answer is 8%. Therefore, rate of discount is equal to 8%. Okay. Now let us move on to subdivision 5. The total bill amount of a shirt costing rupees 575 and a t-shirt costing 375 with GST of 5%. Now actually what is the question? No, the total bill amount of a shirt, actually they are the total bill amount we have to find. What is the amount of the total? They bought the shirt as well as they bought the t-shirt with GST of 5%. Okay, let us find that one. Yeah, you'll be getting the answer rupees 945. Let us see how we got the answer. Solution: cost of a shirt equal to 575 and cost of t-shirt equal to rupees 325. Let us add both. So then only you'll be getting the total cost. So when you add both, your total cost is rupees 900. Now what is the GST amount? 5% they are given. So GST amount for what you have to find? 5% of rupees 900. So 5 divided by 100 into 900. Just cancel two zeros. So 5 nines are, you will be getting 45. Okay, 5 nines are rupees 45. Now we want to find the total bill amount. So total bill amount is nothing but total cost plus GST amount. So 900 plus 45 equal to rupees 945 is your answer. Okay, now let us move on to the problem number 2. If selling an article for rupees 820 causes 10% loss on the selling price, then find its cost price. We have to find the cost price. Solution: given the selling price equal to rupees 820, loss percentage 10% of your selling price. Okay, so 10% of 820. So you can write 10 divided by 100 into 820. So you'll be getting, you just cancel, simplify it, you'll get the answer rupees 82. The two zeros down and top one along with the 10 1 0 and 820 1 0 will get cancelled. So 1 into 82, you got the loss amount is 82. So now cost price equal to selling price plus loss amount, which is equal to 820 plus 82. So rupees 902 is your final answer. Okay, now let us move on to problem number 3. If the profit earned on selling an article for rupees 810 is the same as loss on selling it for rupees 530, then find the cost price of the article. Now we have to find the cost price. Here the two cases are there, that is profit earned on selling an article rupees 810 and loss on selling it for rupees 530. Okay, now they had given find the cost of the article. Okay, now let us move on to the solution, children. In the case 1, profit earned on selling an article for rupees 810. What is the profit formula? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit equal to 810 minus cost price. Now in the case 2, loss on selling it for rupees 530. So what is the loss formula? Cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to cost price minus 530. So in the question already it is given that they both are same. That means the case 1 and case 2 are same. So that is profit is equal to loss. So you can write what is the profit you got already. 810 minus CP, which is equal to CP minus 530. Now take the minus CP to this side and 530 to this side. So the sign will get changed. 810 plus 530, which is equal to CP plus CP. So we'll be getting, when you add 810 and 530, you'll be getting 1340, and CP plus CP you'll be getting 2CP. Now bring the 2 down to the denominator part. So 1340 divided by 2 is equal to CP. So when you divide it by 2 table, your answer is 670 rupees. 670 is your cost price. Okay, therefore the cost price of the article equal to rupees 670. Now let us move on to the problem number 4. Question number 4. If the selling price of 10 rulers is the same as the cost price of 15 rulers, then find the profit percentage. Actually, what is the question they are given? The selling price of 10 ruler, which is equal to the cost price of 15 ruler. Now, first of all, we doesn't know the selling price of 1 ruler. Okay. Now, we are going to assume and we have to find the profit percentage. Let us move on to the solution, children. Let the selling price of 1 ruler be X you take. Okay. So, selling price of 10 ruler equal to 10x. That is 10 into the cost of the selling price of 1 ruler X. So, 10 into X, 10x. Selling price of 15 ruler equal to 15x. Now, what is given in the question? Cost price of 15 ruler equal to selling price of 10 ruler. So, cost price of 15 ruler, which is equal to, what is the selling price of 10 ruler? 10x. You take it as 10x. So, now cost price of 15 ruler is less than the selling price of 15 rulers. What is the cost price of 15 ruler? 10x we have taken. So, 10x is less than the 15x. Okay. So, therefore, it is a profit. So, profit is equal to selling price of 15 ruler minus cost price of 15 ruler. So, 15x minus 10x is equal to 5x. Now, we have to find the profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage? Profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100. So, 5x divided by 10x. So, xx will get cancelled. Then 1 0 and in the numerator part 1 0 will get cancelled. So, 5 into 10, which is equal to 50% is your final answer. Okay. Now, let us move on to problem number 5. Some articles are bought at 2 for rupees 15 and sold at 3 for rupees 25. Find the gain percentage. They bought some article, they bought for 2 for rupees 15 and sold at 3 for rupees 25. We have to find the gain percentage. Okay. Solution. Let the cost price of one article be CP you take. We don't know the cost price. So, let us take it as CP. Given that 2 are bought for rupees 15. So, 2 into CP equal to 15. CP is equal to 15 divided by 2. Let the selling price of one article be, you take SP. Given that it is sold, that is given that the 3 are sold for rupees 15. So, 3 into SP equal to 25. Okay, so SP is equal to 25 divided by 3. So, what is the gain actually? Gain equal to SP minus CP. So, 25 by 3 minus 15 divided by 2. Now, take LCM 6. 3 2s are 6. Just cross multiply is 25 into 2, 50. 15 into 3, 45. So, 50 minus 45, 5 divided by 6. Now, you have to find the gain percentage. So, gain percentage equal to gain divided by CP into 100. So, 5 by 6 divided by 15 by 2 into 100. Just take the denominator to the numerator part, multiplication. The divide can be converted into multiplication. So, the numerator and denominator will get changed. 5 by 6 into 2 by 15 into 100. Cancel it. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6. You can cancel. 2 3s are 6. So, you will be getting 100 divided by 9. So, let us go for the division. So, 900. So, how many times 9 ones are 9. 10 minus 9, you will be getting 1. Bring that 0 down. Again 9 ones are 9. The balance will be 1. So you will be getting 11. 1 by 9 is your answer. 11. 1 divided by 9. So your final answer is 11. 1 divided by 9. Okay. Today's session is over.